Hey there, fellow adventurers! It's me again, MomsyBear. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey to one of Southeast Asia's most vibrant and captivating cities. Get ready to explore the mesmerizing wonders of Bangkok, Thailand. From the bustling streets of Manila to the vibrant heart of Bangkok, this trip promises to be an adventure you won't soon forget. But before we dive into this adventure, let me tell you something amazing. We just hopped off an unforgettable flight from Manila, Philippines, and boy, was it a smooth ride. Clips of Manila to Bangkok flight. Now, let me spill the beans on our fantastic tour package. Picture this, 3 days and 2 nights of pure bliss, all inclusive. That's right, folks, your airfare, hotel, and an incredible tour package are all bundled up for an unforgettable experience. Are you as excited as we are? On day 1, our Bangkok escapade began after our free breakfast at the hotel with a thrilling ride in an iconic tuk-tuk, whisking us through the bustling streets. We explored the vibrant malls, indulged in mouth-watering delights at Café Banh Mi, and savored the irresistible flavors of street food. Oh, and let's not forget about Bangkok's infamous traffic, a true adventure in itself. Now, fasten your seatbelts for day 2 because we've got an action-packed itinerary for you. First up, we marveled at the awe-inspiring beauty of Wondrous, a stunning temple that left us speechless. We also stopped by a charming jewelry souvenir shop, where we couldn't resist taking home a few trinkets. And get ready to be amazed by the majestic standing Buddha, a sight you won't want to miss. But wait, there's more. We saved the best for last. In the evening, we embarked on an enchanting white orchid dinner cruise. Gliding along the picturesque river, soaking in the magical atmosphere. The dinner show was truly extraordinary, and the sights along the river were simply breathtaking. things must come to an end. A good breakfast in the next morning, we bid farewell to the bustling streets of Bangkok as we hopped on our flight back to Manila, Philippines. But don't worry, we're already planning our next adventure. So, fellow travelers, buckle up and get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant sights, delectable flavors, and incredible experiences that Bangkok, Thailand, has to offer. Stay tuned as we bring you along on this unforgettable journey. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and embrace the world.